This is the standard 7th classroom. Now the history lecture is going to get started and the history sir will enter in the classroom. The children are very excited for the history sir. History sir enters in the classroom.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Waalaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sir,
Yes, Abdullah.
sir, are we going to continue with the same lesson?
Yes, students, but before we continue, first I am going to conduct a small activity based on previous lecture.
Okay, sir.
So, students, before starting this activity, I am going to show you all a riddle which you all have to guess.
Okay, sir.
Sir shows the riddle with the help of the screen and read it loudly in front of the students and asks them to guess it.
I am the supreme law of India and I am defined as government's policies, political value, process, power, rights and duty. Who am I?
Sir,
Yes, Dayan.
the Constitution of India.
Very good, student. Sit down. Now tell me. So, student, yesterday we had learned about the Constitution of India. Now I am going to conduct a small activity by asking questions. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
So, students, now tell me who hosted the flag on 1947 on 15th August and why?
Sir,
Yes, Faisal.
Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru hosted the flag on 15 August 1947 as there was no president in 1947 when country became independent.
Very good, boy. Sit down. Now tell me, does President hosted the flag?
Sir,
Yes, Havan.
President hosts the flag on 26th January as it explains the Republic Day.
Very good, Aban. Sit down. Now tell me, what do you mean by Dhwajarohan? Yes, Hamad.
Sir, Dhwajarohan means hosting of flag. Hosting of flag symbolizes the rise of new national flag from colonial rule. The rope is pulled from below to host the flag on Independence Day. It is unattached and rise in a place.
Very good, student. Sit down. Now tell me, in which year was Indian Constitution adopted?
Sir,
Yes, then.
sir, the Indian Constitution was adopted in the year of 1949 and 6th of November.
Very good, boy. Sit down. Now tell me, who was the architect of Indian Constitution?
Sir,
Yes, Faisal.
Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar.
Very good, Faisal. Sit down.
One student raised his hand to give extra information about the right of the Indian Constitution.
Sir,
Yes, Ikrash.
India's constitution came into effect on January 26, 1950, which is celebrated as Republic Day of India and Assembly approved it.
Excellent, boy. Sit down.
Now the sir will explain further information about the right of the Indian Constitution.
So, students, apart from our Indian Constitution, give us 4 fundamental rights to its citizens, which are justice, liberty, fraternity, and equality. Do you all get it?
Yes, sir.
Students happily acquire the knowledge about the Indian Constitution in the history class and the bell rang for the next period.
Thank you, everyone.
अफजल बोल तो
The Indian Constitution has the world record of the largest constitution by any other southern country. Indeed, a pride moment for all of us.
Thank you, everyone.